Good morning, everybody. My name is David, and thank you very much for joining me on this fine November morning. It's a little brisk here in San Diego, but we can't complain because it's not that cold, and I'm sure it'll be 70 degrees today like it is every day. Title states, we're making poke today, so let's head to the kitchen. Alright guys, welcome to our cozy little kitchen. This is a pretty simple recipe, so let's jump right in. Alright, and this is it in a nutshell. We have all of our cookware here and the ingredients, as you can see. So let's start with the cookware. We need one chef's knife. You want a pretty thick blade, and I'll show you why in just a second. Measuring spoons, a bowl, and a spoon for mixing. And then I'm going to use two cutting boards, one to kind of just hold the ahi, and the other one to actually chop and prep the vegetables. We have our fresh wild-caught ahi, about half a shallot. I think we only need about one green onion straw. We have some chili garlic sauce, toasted sesame seeds, sesame oil, and coconut aminos. And the biggest reason why we're going with the coconut aminos today is to just stay away from the soybeans, as 94% of all soybeans grown in the US have been declared as GMO. So it's pretty much impossible to find non-GMO soy sauce. Alright guys, so step one, simply pat the ahi dry, set on a paper towel. You just want to try to soak up some of the natural juices from there, so our poke sauce can penetrate and get nice flavor coating on this fish. So just set this guy aside. Once you get it all dried off, we'll prep our vegetables. First, we're going to prep our shallot. We got the skin removed and I topped it. So let's go ahead and make our first cut. It's going to be horizontal, just coming straight in, but not all the way through. You want to leave about 10% there just to hold everything together for right now. Next, turn the shallot 90 degrees and slice straight down every so often. And for our third and final cut on the shallot, I'm going to grip it like so, making sure it can't leave, using your front middle finger knuckle as a guide, and slowly just chop way back. There we go. And there you have it. Nicely diced shallot in 3 easy cuts. Alright, next up is our green onion. We're going to just use one whole piece so you get kind of like this hollow spot towards the end of it, and then you're going to get all the way into the good bits into the beginning, where the root stock is. Alright, same technique here while we're using the big thick chef's knife to get that knuckle up against the green onion, and we're just going to slide our hand back as we chop all the way down. So we got our ahi drying, our vegetables are pretty much prepped. Now it's as simple as adding it all together, slicing the ahi, and coating it with our sauce. So let's go ahead and make the sauce. Okay guys, we got our measuring spoons. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of the coconut aminos. Next we got 1 teaspoon of the sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of the sesame seeds, a little extra spilling over, about like so, and finally 1 teaspoon of the chili garlic sauce. Grab our spoon, stir it all together, and yeah, let's go ahead and add just a touch more of those aminos. That's going to be our main base to this sauce. So 3 tablespoons of the coconut aminos. Now this is much less salty than soy sauce, so we can always add salt to taste once everything is combined as desired. Alright, let's go ahead and add our veggies in. Alright, and last but certainly not least, we want to cut, or slice rather, our ahi into about 1/2 inch cubes. So that guy's done. Go ahead and add them into the bowl, and slice the rest of this guy up. All right, all ingredients together, simply stir. Coat the ahi with the poke sauce, and it is pretty much ready to serve immediately, or if you want to throw it in the fridge for about 20 minutes, get everything nice melded together, get it chilled down a little bit, and you can serve it on top of a seaweed salad, slice some avocados, dress it up however you like. So let's go ahead and pop this guy in the fridge and serve it up. Alright guys, and that is that. That's a pretty simple recipe. Please let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to try that out and how it goes for you. Subscribe if you aren't already. Hit that like button if you do try the recipe. And I'll see you guys next week in the next video.